I'm Matthew Crawford from Sydney, Australia. I bought my first MGY when I was 17, restored it, and that was my daily drive for 12 years. I bought this one, which was in fact a four-door sedan that was going up to Gosford that fell off a truck and it crushed its roof. So I bought it, and we cut the roof off and made it into the world's first and only four-door tourer. I do have other MGs for daily drives. It's the MG TF, the modern TF, but these are the ones that I like. This one's been modified somewhat. Got a supercharger on it. It's got a 5-speed gearbox. It's got power disc brakes. So it's quite different from a normal Y-type. But it keeps up with the traffic and it's easy to drive and quite safe.